Hi everyone, my name is Poonam and welcome to my channel Creative Odyssey. In this video, we will learn simple letters with the brush stroke. Like last video में जो हमने brush strokes learn किए थे, with those strokes we are going to make simple letters. So we will start with the letter I. So in I, you just need to make a 45-degree angle and just come down with a thick line. And with the tip go up. Simple. Now with this we will make U. So double I can make U. So thick down and thin up, thick down and thin up. In this you just need to remember one thing, that this middle stroke and the last stroke should be same. The difference between this and this should same. Now next letter we can make W. So how can we make W? Thick down, thin up, thick down, and this thin up stroke will go up and then make a loop. That's how we can get W. Simple. Now moving on, we will start letters with the start upper loop. So first we do E. So we start from the bottom, go up with the thin stroke, make a curve and then make a thick down and go up with a thin stroke. Similarly, we will make L. So we start from the down, go up with the thin, curve and come down with a thick line and go up with the thin stroke. Simple. Similarly, we will make B. So we start letter B, thin up, thick down, thin up and make a small loop. Similarly, we are going to make H. So we start from the bottom, going up with the thin line, curve, thick down and thin up and thick down and thin up. It's kind of a compound curve. Now next letter we can make is letter K. So thin up, thick down, thin up stroke and thick down stroke. That's how we can make upper loop letters.